Welcome to this tutorial on building a Chrome extension using ChatGPT. In this video, we'll be showing you how to create a simple screen recorder extension for Chrome that allows users to record their screen while browsing the web. Firstly, we will give ChatGPT some prompts about our Chrome extension which we are going to build. Before we begin, it's important to note that creating a Chrome extension can be a complex task that requires knowledge of JavaScript, the Chrome extension API, and web development in general. But don't worry, we'll be breaking it down step by step for you. First, we'll start by creating a new directory for the extension and a manifest file. The manifest file is a JSON file that tells Chrome what your extension does and how it should be run. Next, we'll create a background script that listens for the user to click the extensions button and starts recording the screen using the Chrome extension API. Then, we'll create a simple UI for the extension, such as a button to start and stop recording. We'll use JavaScript and HTML to create the UI. Now we'll implement the logic to handle the start and stop recording using JavaScript. This will allow the extension to start and stop recording when the corresponding button is clicked. With our extension complete, now, we will go to the Manage Extensions, and there click on Load Unpacked Files, and select our folder from directory. Oh, there comes an error. To solve this simple error, just go to the manifest.json file and there find default_icon:_icon.png. Then remove this code. Now again do the same process. Error gone. Our extension is uploaded. Finally, we can use our extension to record screen while browsing. This is our extension. We can change it in future and make it look beautiful and add some features.